Good morning, class 4 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Now, after a long time, we will meet again. And welcome back to your English grammar class. Now, today we will learn participles. Open at page number 91 of your grammar book. It's new term participle. Do you know what does the term participle mean? Okay, now let's have a look. Now look at the board. Here I have written a sentence. First read the sentence carefully. We add ing to the verb to get the present participle form. But remember what is present participle? Okay, or past participle. Okay, let's come. Past participle pore aschi. Okay, first your subject matter is present participle. What is present participle? Okay, if there is a main verb, we add then ing we add ing to a verb to make it participle. For example, cook, cooking. In the previous class, we have also learned it like bake. Can you tell me the spelling? Can you remember the spelling? Bake, baking, B-A-K-I-N-G. We drop the E and add ing. In the previous class, we have learned it. Okay, so now in this class we will learn a new subject matter or new topic. Present participle. We add ing to the verb to make it present participle. And the second point you have to remember: am, is, are plus main verb plus ing present continuous. Was, were plus main verb plus ing past continuous. Have you got it? বুঝতে পেরেছো এটা কি লিখেছি আমি? Okay, so let's look at example. I am going to school. Look at the board carefully. খুব তাড়াতাড়ি শিখে যাবে। ভালো করে বোর্ডের দিকে তাকাও। I am going to school. Okay. We all know that am, is, are is the main source of be verb and it is in the present form. So present and it is the part of be verb. You all know it. Okay. Go. It's the main verb. We all know that go is the main verb. Plus we add ing. So here the subject am present am, the present form of be verb and go main verb plus ing. So it is present continuous tense. Is that clear? Present continuous tense. Is that clear? How to make present continuous tense by adding ing to the main verb, okay, or from the present participle. Okay, so the point you have to remember, we use ing form of the main verb with am, is, are to make a present continuous tense. For example, I am going to school, I am eating, he is going to school, he is going to market, she is dancing, the girl is dancing, he is drawing a picture, okay, etc, etc. There are so much examples. Okay, so is that clear? Present participle. You remember we use am, is, are plus main verb plus ing to form present continuous tense. Next, past continuous tense. The same example, তুমি যদি দেখো প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস বুঝতে পারো তাহলে পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসও বুঝতে পারবে। আমরা বি ভার্বের শুধু পাস্ট ফর্ম থেকে ইউজ করব। আমরা জানি বি ভার্বের পাস্ট ফর্ম কি হয়? was, were. ফর এক্সাম্পল, he was going to school. Same example, but look, it is somewhat different. Was means past form of be verb. Okay, past of be verb. Go, its main verb plus ing. Is that clear? So was the past of be verb and go main verb plus ing. He was going to school. This sentence also refers to an action that is continuing, but it is continued before now and in the past. So it is past continuous tense. Is that clear? past continuous tense. So we use the ing form of verb with was or were to make past continuous tense. So this is present participle, and now we will learn what is past participle. You have to memorize the past form of the verbs. For example, we add d to the verb to make it past participle. For example, bake, baked, and baked. Okay, is that clear? Baked. Look at the present form of the verb bake. So present, past, and past participle. Present, past, and past participle. Bake. So we add b. We also add en to make it past participle. For example, eat, past form ate, eaten. Okay, we add en. For example, fall, fell, fallen. Okay, we also add t to the verb to make it past participle. For example, dream, dreamed, and dreamed. Okay, dreamed. We also add ed to make it past participle. For example, added, and added. Is that clear? So we add d, en, t, ed to make it past participle. But remember, there are also some verbs that do not change their form when they become past tense or past participle. For example, put, and put. For example, cart. For example, sat. Okay, is that clear? So write down the words in your copybook. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.